It's a harsh environment to live in the first place, between the dryness, the dust, and the high temperatures in the summer, and then the winters are pretty harsh. Shotzi Gambrell, and I manage the senior center in Gerlach, Nevada. A lot of the difficulties stem from how far we are from the hospitals in Reno. So scheduling of appointments, trying to get, they want you in today for this blood test and then you come back tomorrow. That's a 4-hour trip each time for us. It's 2 hours in, 2 hours back. So if you're just going in for a blood test and then you've got to come back, we're talking an awful financial burden with the gas. So trying to get everything scheduled in one day is how a lot of the Gerlachians work. It's not a 10-minute trip to the emergency room. It's a 2-hour trip, sometimes 3 to the emergency room. So it's a risk. You're taking a risk living out here. And the people who do it are hardy, strong, and magnificent, I guess I could say.
My name is Jonathan Farnsworth. I am the Public Works Supervisor for Gerlach, Nevada, which means I'm in charge of water, sewer, and garbage. And I am also the Assistant Fire Chief and first responder for our fire department here. We have 3 that live here in town and another 6 that do not live here that come out and help us on busy times. We are the emergency services for 50 miles. We do extrications on vehicle accidents, we do bloody noses, we do everything. We pick them up, but it depends on the availability of ground ambulances out of Reno. Sometimes we transport down the highway and we meet up with another ground unit, or we utilize Care Flight.
I believe they brought more vendors than I have people in town. It's absolutely beautiful. But they are doing shots for children and shots for adults who are uninsured, your immunizations. They've offered a service where they're giving out help for people who are hearing impaired with a bone. The veteran services are here. They're doing STD testing, and then of course the food bank from Catholic Charities. I've barely had time to walk around in the building, so it's like, oh, wait a second, I keep seeing things. There is the blood pressure clinic, the foot clinic is in there. There is the food bank people, I think, are here. I'd have to go get the actual list because I've just been running around. Wanna show the light,